Overview. The provided image is an electrical wiring diagram for a two-way switch circuit with an intermediate switch. This circuit is a variation of a basic two-way switch setup, allowing control of a single light fixture from more than two locations. It adds an intermediate switch to an existing two-way switch setup, expanding its control capabilities. Intermediate switch. At the heart of the diagram is an intermediate switch. This switch has 4 terminals, allowing it to either pass the current straight through or cross it over. This dual functionality is essential for the circuit's operation, enabling it to toggle the light on or off, regardless of the state of the other switches. The first two-way switch is connected to the power supply, with the live wire red passing through it. It's a single-pole double throw, or SPDT switch, which means it has one input and 2 outputs, directing the flow of electricity to one of 2 paths. This switch, along with the other two-way switch, provides the primary control points in the circuit. The second two-way switch is connected to the light bulb, with the red wire from the intermediate switch feeding into it. Like the first two-way switch, it's an SPDT switch, allowing the current to be directed to either of its 2 outputs. This switch works in conjunction with the other 2 to control the light. Light bulb and power. A single light bulb is shown in the diagram, representing the load in the circuit. The neutral wire, black, is connected directly to one side of the bulb, while the live wire, red, is routed through the switches before connecting to the other side. The bulb will illuminate when a complete circuit is formed, allowing current to flow through it. Live and neutral wires. The diagram clearly distinguishes between the live, red, and neutral, black, wires. The live wire carries the electrical potential from the power source, while the neutral wire completes the circuit, providing a return path for the current. This color coding is a standard convention in electrical wiring to ensure safety and proper connections. Circuit operation. When the switches are toggled, they change the path of the live wire, either completing or breaking the circuit. The intermediate switch's ability to cross the connections allows it to reverse the polarity of the current, effectively toggling the light state regardless of the positions of the two-way switches. This setup provides a versatile and convenient way to control a light from multiple locations.